Mathangda star question number 238. Hangbigadaba Honorable Member Shri K. Megachandra Singh, Pakhum Pibigadaba Honorable Minister RDNPR.
Sir, star question number 238.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Answer to star question number 238. Either say law and order problem labels now. Matam Sana Taudabani. B the State Cabinet decision 13 July 2024. Lower decision lower September the election sit down about Luina Election Commission, State Election Commission da fresh schedule number Isaac.
Sir, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Minister, Nadi Fazana Kumbire. Masigi Panchayat election Taudrisi law and order gi situation Hatabanani high. Adabu Hoi Kuidri, Parliament election to law and order Patabazidun Tauki. Aduna Panchayat election city Veligi or Moroiba area Krakaktanina. Masi election si Taubada Toyona law and order Marie Lena Roydra and Kali. Adu Masigisu, Pagasu, Pagale, Haidana, leader of the House Nasu, law and order Pagale, Hairabani, Adu Amasu, Masigi, Kitang Pazanadi, Akoigi, Democracy, Yam na Panchayat Maru, Ebenina Sar, Masi two na Tohaning Basi, Pazasing the Lay, Akoina Supa Misa. Adagi Anishuba be the September, Bogi Manunda Taurabagi. Yabagi cabinet and Logri High, which is August, September. Election to the already notification top of Yare. Adu Sarmasigi, Kenosiki, Pien Bawali, Aduna, a cup number timing of Mahabi Yabra. Masi Panchayat Kisiam Namarueva, Rural Zagasing the Panchayat election to Tangai for the lay, and a kitang, sir, Mayam Gimit Apong Winanova Hizabada. Howjik Panchayat election to the end Supreme Court case, Sally, High Court at Towie. Adramasi Awabama, Parasing the Magi right, Hugs Mam Pangnava, Honavada, High Court case, Supreme Court as I am expenditure no Panchayat bodies in the Wari, but Safato, Sessa. Adrakanava Matamam Tadi, Suzik, Sahiani, Tak, Kuntraga, Nitoi, Hen election Toroktabasi, Angakpa, Awaba, Tongan the system yam paralyzed the for your information. Aduna, Yarakadi Akaknava Matamam, the house that Tambusa.
Honorable Speaker, Honorable Member, serious concern. Masi government since 2000 October 2022 da lower 5th General Panchayat to Yamangan Haitare, April 2022 the quick Kanogi Taboka Haitare. First cabinet to 21 July 2022 da Pukale. Election si atam jan tong naba do atam to the cabinet ki defer tawga second cabinet si second kanogi January 2023 da amuk phamakanda kogi April thagi manung da pangthok naba kogi state election commission da haire matam da state election commission na haiba matam sidi election to bong giro na haibadagi June the lepi de haitare June the election si lepa matung da even public notification about 15 May 2023 da public notification token in a ready lerum badagi sagi me tang hongi irang si lak badagi ye talk the baya the yadavagi sum ye talk even it may tamjage at the same time say honorable member na pandiba Lok Sabagi election why Madonna koi Iran truck calling or so center the lepa the Iran Parakumatam Hibet Sana give Haitare Adubu I know honorable member in Jaraga Court of Conduct Hek Lugibuga Yanan Bapamba cabinet to the decision Laurakanda September Tauna at the same time see State Election Commission da Matam Pina Haizagre Ado I Magna Tang Sukta Tony have a short of the Yadavina Ado State Election Commission ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯒꯦ